Shalom guys, welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Today we are making pumpkin spice cookies. Stay tuned if you're interested on how I made it. Please consider clicking the subscribe button and come back for more recipes. Okay, let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. I will have them listed in the description below so that you can follow along. First, we're going to begin by adding our 1 cup of brown sugar and ½ cup of white sugar to our room temperature stick of butter. Add in your 1½ teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of butter extract or emulsion. Next, we're going to be adding the 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Add in your room temperature egg. Next, we will add in the 1 cup of pumpkin puree mix. Try not to overmix your ingredients. It's best if you blend it on medium speed. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients and our pumpkin pie spices and cinnamon spice. Also remember to scrape down the sides so that all the ingredients will be combined properly. This is what your dough should look like. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Once your dough has chilled properly, you can scoop it out on a baking tray and put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 350 degrees. So this is how my cookies came out. This is what it looks like coming out of the oven. Once your cookies have thoroughly cooled, you can add a glaze topping to them or leave them plain. I will have the ingredients list for the glaze and instructions in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below on your way out.